In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Nasdaq 100 and Nas 100 CFD on Metatrader 5. This walkthrough is for educational purposes and will show you how to locate the Nasdaq 100 with your broker, add it to Metatrader 5, and place a trade with clear risk controls. If you're new, the Nasdaq 100 CFD mirrors the price of a major tech-heavy stock index, and a CFD lets you speculate on price movement without owning the underlying shares. First, head to your broker's website and confirm they offer a Nasdaq 100 CFD. Brokers label this instrument differently, so don't worry if you don't see Nasdaq 100 right away. Some use symbols like US 100 cash, others use NAS 100, and some may list it as NDX. Look under Indices or Cash Indices and open the product's contract specifications to confirm you have the right market, its trading hours, typical spreads, and contract size. Knowing the exact symbol and details here prevents choosing the wrong instrument later. Now switch to Metatrader 5. Open the Market Watch window by pressing Ctrl+M. In that panel, click Add or Open Symbols, then search for the Nasdaq 100 symbol your broker uses. When you find it, enable or add it so it appears in your Market Watch list. You can also drag the symbol onto a chart if you want a real-time view before placing a trade. Once it's added, you're ready to open a ticket. With the symbol highlighted, click New Order. In the order window, confirm the symbol matches the Nasdaq 100 CFD you just added. Choose your order type. Market execution places a trade immediately at the current price, while a pending order lets you set a price at which you want the trade to trigger later, such as a buy stop above current price or a sell limit at a desired level. Pick the one that fits your plan. Enter your volume, which is the position size. Remember, with indices, each lot represents a contract value defined by your broker, so check the specifications to understand how each point move impacts profit and loss. Set a stop loss to cap risk and a take profit to automatically secure gains. Place these levels at prices that align with your analysis and avoid guessing. Precision matters. When everything looks correct, click buy if you expect the index to rise or sell if you expect it to fall. You'll see confirmation and the position will appear in your terminal. Monitor spreads, news events, and trading hours and adjust risk as needed. That's the full process from finding the symbol to executing a trade on MT5. Trade safely and stay disciplined.